Okay, today we're going to go through like what actually is a bubble. Then I think the most important thing is just to show you how what things we can create lah. Then it will be easier. So Bubble is actually a no-code platform. Okay, typically maybe we just demonstrate maybe a landing page. Yeah, just a simple landing page. Then you understand the concept of what it can be. It can be used for, and so you can use it for your applications or for your work or your career. I think that would be cool. Okay, so first thing first. Okay, if you want to create a simple landing page, right? So we will need to have an input field to create. So typically, maybe the landing page you are talking about is something that can have the email, okay, and maybe also maybe have a name. Just a simple one will do, and the name, okay, and the name is text. Okay, so then we also need to have a buttons. Okay, just do take note that the bubble actually have a responsive, okay, a new responsive. So what we do now, okay, is typically to change this to a column. So the reason is because from top to down is called columns. Okay, so we got to do this. Okay, move it to the middle, move it to the middle. Okay, every single thing, just think also. Okay, for this case, right, correct, we do not need to have this because you want to make it as stretched as far as possible, but maybe we have a maximum width of 300. Okay, maybe let's make it 300 at the moment. Okay, so this one also same thing. Okay, maximum width of 300. And to standardize everything, right, correct, I suggest maybe you put the 40. Okay, 40 and 40, and we need to have a button. So this one is an email, and below is a name. Email, and below is a name. Okay, name. Okay, so this is what we're going to do, or you want to shift it opposite also can. So name and email. Okay, so every single thing, right, correct, you can set the alignment, okay, here by moving it to the middle. So now this is the middle of the whole page. Okay, so every single time you do this, right, correct, okay, you need to set what is different between each other. Maybe for this case I want to become this way. Okay, so then I need to create a buttons. Okay, a buttons for you to submit the information. So it's the same thing, is in the middle. Okay, same thing, the maximum is 300. Okay, let's do it. 300 maximum. Okay, so I try to standardize everything lah. If you want to be 45 or 46 or 40, let's put 40 at the moment. Okay, something like this. Okay, so top alignment down, then something like this. Okay, so this is just a normal form that you submit. Okay, so what we going to do is we got to submit a form. Okay, then later on we got to receive an email, we got to update the database. Okay, so that's what we're going to achieve today. Okay, very simple. Okay, so now, okay, when I press the button, I need to update the database for my name and my email. So definitely you need to have a field to store all this information. So what we can do now is actually we can create, okay, maybe this thing we call leads. Okay, this is a database. Okay, so we have two information we are going to have here. One is the name, very simple. Okay, one is the email. Okay, so that's what we want to store. Okay, so every time when the person click the submit button, okay, it will basically create a new thing. Okay, create that. Just now remember the name and the email, right? The email is actually this one, input email. Okay, and the name is input name. They call it, the field is actually input name. This box is called input name, and this box is called input email. Okay, so what we're going to do is, okay, come here. Okay, input email, values, name, input name and values. So Bubble is very logical. So after that, right, what you need to do is you need to reset, right? If not, there will be leftover data there, then your user also don't know whether they submit or not. Okay, so after that you need to reset the relevant input. Okay, you can even send an email to them, saying that to maybe the step 1, okay, email, saying the object, welcome to the event, something like that. Okay, just do it this way. Okay, hi, you want to know the name of the person, no problem. Step number 1, the name. Okay, and that's it. Okay, thank you for registering the event. Okay, like this. Okay, wait, give me a minute. Okay, SGISTERNG. Okay, I think it's this way. Okay, then later on, what we need to do is maybe from your company lah, maybe from example. Okay, let's do it this way first. Very simple. Okay, so that's what we need to do. Okay, so the sender name you can put Empotech, also can up to you, any sender name will do. Okay, so then I will send an email to that person. Okay, then the database which is here will be updated. Okay, now let us put maybe some title on top. We can put some title on top. Okay, kindly register below, something like this. Okay, will do. Okay, so then you want same thing here, you want to put in the middle, you put in the middle. Okay, you want to position the words in the middle, you can also do that. You want to make it bold, you want to maybe make it a bit bigger because it's too small, right? Make it to 36, also can. You can do that way, also can. Okay, so this case wise, okay, don't make it fixed width. Okay, maybe the maximum width you put at 300, same thing as below. Okay, so what we have done just now, okay, is something like this. When the responsive come in, right, correct, you can be, yeah, you can see this way. See, so it's fully responsive. Definitely you can put pictures and all these things lah. So this is just to demo the capability of Bubble itself. Okay, so we got to save these things now. Okay, so we got to run it now. So my name is Tony. Okay, Tony at empotech.co example. So I submit. So done. So this information, okay, will be saved inside my database over here, which is hosted in Amazon itself. So it's very safe. Okay, so next, you want to extract data, you want to edit, find, read, search, possible, delete also possible. So it's just what you need to do with this. Yeah, so that's the power of no code to this. Yeah, and this platform that I'm featuring is bubble.io. Yeah, thank you.